Hi, this is Rando. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a few days since we've seen each other, but I'm gonna work on the car today. I ran into a few issues when we lowered the car. I'll flip you around and talk to you about it. See, the fender gap on the passenger side is probably about inch and a half, and then we walk around this side, and we got like 2 inches. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to take the tire off, jack it up, disconnect the shock, and pull the spring out, maybe cut a half a coil out. I don't know, something like that. But I'll be back here in a minute to explain how to take the spring out, and we'll go from there. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm at the point where we need to jack up the car, and you jack it up on the frame rail, right about right there, so you can take the weight off the suspension on both sides, so you can take the pressure out of the springs. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll be right back. All right, now I got the tire off, the car's jacked up. We just gotta disconnect the shock, and then we'll head over to the spring right there. So give me a few more minutes, and I'll get that taken off. All right, so as you can see now, I got all the pressure off the suspension. I can sit here and wiggle it. So all I gotta do is push this out, and we'll have that spring out, and then I'll show you how to put it back in. All right guys, so I got the spring out. I went ahead and marked it right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop it off real quick, and watch me at work. All right guys, I got the cut spring back in there. I got it in place, and all we gotta do is jack it up and put pressure on it. Make sure everything's in place right there. All right, now that we got the spring compressed and we got it in place, you gotta line the shock back up, bolt it all back up. If you want to jack it up just a little bit, hold it. Literally all we gotta do is just put everything back together and drop it back down, and see where we're at. So I'm gonna get everything buttoned up, and I'm gonna get back with you guys. All right guys, I'm back. I did get it done, but it took me longer than I expected, and I don't know what's up with this chassis. It's sitting kind of weird. I think it was a drag car, and it's tweaked a little bit because I had to cut about a coil out of the spring. So I'm gonna flip it around. We take a look at it, what it looks like now. Looks pretty good. We're about probably an inch off the top of the tire. It's really where I want it. It still looks like the passenger side just a wee bit lower. Yeah, it might be, but it's pretty close. It looks pretty good. So like I said, it changes these springs on these tires, or on these Mustangs, pretty easy. My buddy showed me, and I could probably do it in my sleep. So guys, I hope this was kind of informative on how to take the rear springs out of the Mustang. Maybe you guys can learn from it. Don't buy Mocart racing springs, because I don't know if that's the problem or if it's the car. But don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, 85_StangLife. Catch you guys later.